Hi everyone, welcome to my office. It's Neal again, and today I have the FitFort aluminum alloy table stand. And so you can kind of see what this is here. It's a little stand and it's adjustable up and down. And if you have an iPad or a phone or something like that, this gives you the ability to put it on the table and have it where it faces you and stuff. So you can kind of see it says it's got some installation instructions in the back. I don't know. I mean, you can kind of see. I'll show you the box. There's the box there. Got some it shows how to install it right there, but we'll do it here in a second so you can see it. And I can't even remember what color. I guess I got a black one. I don't know. We'll see. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It came like this, kind of already open in the box. So hopefully it's not missing any pieces. But we'll find out here in a second. See what we get here. So. So you guys are seeing what I see here. So we do it together, and I don't stop it. So whatever it is, you see what I see in real time. I put a little box here so you guys can see it as I put it together. But here's the base for it. So you can see it's got the little rubber feet on it, which is kind of nice. So when I put it on my desk, it won't slide around. So you see it'll kind of stay. It actually slides the whole box that it's on around. So that's kind of nice. And then I guess I got the gray color. Is that what color? I don't know. It's gray, silver, and black. So I'm guessing this is the gray. So this is what it looks like here. And so this is going to be the holder for it. It'll fit in there. And then it came with this, which is a little wrench and screw for it. So without even looking at the instructions, I can pretty much figure out how this is going to work. You can see, putting it together, I'll show you real close. You see there, it's got like a little flat part right on that side. And then on this, it's got a little flat part right up top there. You can kind of see. So that's gonna fit in there to line it up. And the screw, and in the back, it's got a little indent for the screw. So the screw will go in there. And then we will screw this on. So let's see. So we'll screw this until it gets to the flat part. Right there, it lines up with the flat part. And then we'll screw this in. So, maybe it doesn't necessarily, maybe it doesn't even need to line up with that flat thing, but whatever. So here we go. So we'll put it on here and we will tighten this up because this is something I guess we're not gonna really ever need to take off. So got it on there fairly tight. So this is what it looks like. I can kind of feel this part here is like it's got a rubber metal, but then it has a little rubber thing on it. And then same with in here, it's got the rubber so it's not gonna scratch up your stuff. And then it kind of rotates this way. And then this little dial here, so you can do that and open it and close it and leave it like that. So it's pretty nice. And I think this probably comes off. I can take off this little piece here and just use the dial. Yeah, so that's what the dial looks like. That's what it looks like here. So that's the stand. And let's see, I got an iPad here. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my iPad. If I can get my iPad, there it is. So that's what it looks like with an iPad. Pretty sweet. So, and then I can aim it up and down. It's a little tilted because I think my box is tilted. Yeah, this box is on, it's tilted, but if I go this way, it's gonna tilt the other way. So, or is it the base? I think I didn't put the base on straight. Yeah, if you look at it, the base is not really straight. I guess it does really need to line up with that part. How's that look? Is that better? I can't tell. I can't tell if it's straight or not. Let's see how it looks now. Oh, much better. Okay, so there we go. So that's what it was. I didn't have it. It didn't line up those flat parts, even though I said I needed to, and then I didn't even do it. But see, there you go. So there's my iPad on there. Seems to work good, so I can just leave it there and I can have it there. I also have like extra screens. I don't know if you've seen these types of things here. Like this is like an extra monitor that can connect to my laptop. So I could put that in here. So this is like a nice portable monitor, right? They make these portable monitors, and I could just put that on here, and then I could have basically a monitor with a stand on it. So how sweet is that? So that's pretty sweet. I like that. So it makes I can have like a full-fledged monitor that's actually portable. So I could take this and take this with me. Super easy to pack it and be able to take a monitor anywhere I go. So that's pretty cool. I did a review of this monitor too, so you can probably see that on my channel if you look for it. I like this. It's pretty solid. You can feel it. You can see it's made out of metal there, metal there, metal there. You unscrew it here, and it'll lower it and raise it so it can get up that high or that low, depending on how you want it. And then when you tighten it, it won't rotate anymore really either too much. Yeah, now it's hard to rotate. And I tightened it up a lot. And then this part here, it's got a pretty good tightness to it as well. So pretty much if you put it facing a certain direction, it's gonna stay there, especially with like an iPad or something that's not very heavy on there. It's not gonna tilt it or anything like that. You have to push down to tilt it that way or that way. How far? Well, you could tilt it all the way backwards and it would fall off, but you could actually make it into a little table. I have an iPad table, look at that. But it's pretty cool, so, I mean, I like it. It pretty much does what it says it needs to do, so it's a nice stand. I give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves, and I'll put a link to it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll show you here some more about it. You know, here's it says FitFort there, but that's the brand. It's called FitFort aluminum alloy table stand, and so it'll fit that. It'll fit a phone in there. Good thing about it too is when you have a phone on it, it's just got the two little forks there, so you can still keep the charger connected to it. So pretty much does everything it needs to do. So I like it. I'm giving it a thumbs up from Neal. Like I said, links in the description. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.